Today, let's analyze the service of Xu Chenhao. Just after the Chinese trial second leg, the China national team has arrived in Weihai today, Monday 31 May 2021. A new phase of close training is about to begin. Close training is very important. This is the final stage before going to Tokyo Olympics. Close training is one of the 5 main reasons that the China national team is very strong in the international competition. Watch this video to learn about that. In an interview with Xinhua News Agency today, Coach Liu said that the Chinese national team should win at least 3 gold medals. There are too many good opponents in the men's single. Mima Ito is a huge threat to China. So the men team, then the women team are the 2 gold medals. The 3rd gold medal should be the men's single or the women's single. For the serve of Xu Chenhao in this Chinese trial, some players said that he threw the ball too close to the body and he mostly hit it with head, not the arm. The umpire called for serve and she explained the player hit the ball with his shoulder. The umpire is correct. This is a good call. Xu Chenhao has hidden the ball with his head. I don't think that Xu Xin can see the contact point. It is very difficult to see the contact point. Second call, fault serve.